Hello guys, have you always wanted to become a UGC creator but maybe you're camera shy or maybe you've been struggling to create content consistently because filming takes so much time? Well, what if I told you that you can now create realistic UGC style videos in less than a minute using AI? Yes, I said so. Okay, so in my previous video, I showed you how to become a UGC creator. But today, I'm taking it a step further by showing you an AI tool that can help you create high quality UGC video, even if you don't want to show your face. Yes. Okay, so whether you're a beginner, a small business owner, a TikTok shop affiliate, or a content creator looking to save time, this tool might be exactly what you've been looking for. Come closer. All right, so let's jump right into it. One thing I really like about this platform is that it gives you options. If you don't want to appear on the camera, that's completely fine. But if you do want your own AI version, you can upload your own image and create a personalized AI avatar. Or you can simply choose from the realistic AI character already available inside the app. Let's see how it works.
All right, so the platform we'll be using today is UGCVideo.ai. I'll leave my affiliate link in the description and pinned comments if you would like to try it yourself. Once you sign up, you will see a clean dashboard that is very beginner friendly.
All right, what impressed me most is how fast everything is. So instead of setting up lights, recording multiple takes, and spending hours editing, you can create marketing videos in just minutes. Yeah.
Okay, if you struggle with dry, ashy skin, you need to see this. This Vaseline Cocoa Radiant line is literally my holy grail. I layered the lotion with their body oil gel and wow, the glow is unreal. It doesn't just sit on top, it actually heals the dryness. Plus, it smells like a literal dream. No more winter skin, just 24/7 radiance. Look at that shine! Trust me, grab the whole set now. Your skin will thank you.
This is especially helpful if you're creating content consistently or managing multiple products. So now, I know you will ask me who should use this. I think this tool is perfect for beginners starting their UGC journey, small business owners who need affordable product videos. And even if you're a TikTok shop affiliate, this is also perfect for you. Then the content creators, yeah, Amazon influencers, anyone who wants professional marketing videos without spending hours filming, setting up lights and all the rest. Yes, this is a perfect tool for you.
All right, so here's the dashboard, and this is what we're going to be using today, UGCVideo.ai. So we're going to click, first of all, create our avatar. You get? So now you can see what you can do here. You can do talking videos, motion sync, UGC image, UGC video, and UGC add video. So today what we're going to be doing is UGC add video. But before we get to this place, let's first of all create our character. You get that? So now, start from an image, describe your character, build your character, influencer generator. Let's go with this first one. Okay, so this is the images I have created before. But then, since we're starting afresh, let's do this together so that you get to learn how I got this. So first of all, I'm going to be uploading a reference image. I'll tap here, the first one, the reference image. Okay, so I'm going to use this and say done. That's the reference image I want to use. And then if you have the image in different angles, shot in different angles, that is more than one picture, you can add it here. You see, upload reference image, add additional angles up to 3. Here, you can do that. Okay, so I don't have any other image that is Same with this that has different angles. So I'm just going to leave it. So let's name this Vaseline Influencer. Okay, so now a background story. Okay, so I've got a background story. I'm going to go and copy that from my ChatGPT. So hold on while I go. Okay, here is it. So I'll copy this and then I'll paste it as my background story. That is how the way I want the image to look like. Okay, so that is it. So once I'm done with that, I'll go down. This is going to cost me just 10 credits. I'll go down here and hit that generate button, and in less than 4 minutes we'll get the image. Okay guys, our image is ready. This is what it gave to us. You can see that this is beautiful. So you save this image directly to your phone. Then we go back and do the main thing, which is the video generation. Now let's go back and then we'll choose this last one. This UGC add video. You see that? UGC add video. Alright, so now it's time to upload. The first one is the product or the app reference image. So it's either you get the link of the product you want to advertise or you upload an image. Okay, so I'm going to just upload the image I want to use. So I tap on this and I'll be using this Vaseline. Okay, and I'll save. You see how smooth this is going. Now it's time to add my influencer. Which influencer do I want to use? So I'm going to be selecting from what I generated earlier. So let's go with this one. I love this one. Let's go with this. So I've added that. So now I need a prompt. We need to give this a prompt. What our influencer would be saying or her demonstration. So I've already gotten a prompt here on my ChatGPT. So now we're going to use this. She speaks in a friendly conversational tone as if recommending the lotion to a friend, smiling naturally and making eye contact with the camera. She demonstrates applying the lotion and shows her moisturized skin with realistic hand movements and genuine. Okay, so we're going to copy this, go right back and paste it here in the prompt section. Okay, once it's done, the next thing to do is to add voice. You can create your own voice and you can add voice. So there is this voice I love. Tap on it and you search for, since it's a female, you search for a female voice that will match with the image you've added. So there is this one I love to use. Hold on. Almost there. Maya J. Yeah, it's friendly and cheerful.
Excuse me. Who gave you permission to look this fabulous on a Monday? Excuse me.
We are going to use this now. How you tap on it and it's right here. So you can see that. So after here, you look down. You can choose the aspect ratio you want, either vertical or horizontal, the 9.16 or the 16.9. You see that? Okay, so after choosing, I will love it to be 9.16. Then you click on generate. Once you click on generate, we wait for the video to generate. So I've clicked. I don't want this video to be long, so hold on. We'll be right back. All right, our video is ready to view. First of all, let me show you the one I use 9.66.
Okay, if you struggle with dry, ashy skin, you need to see this. This Vaseline Cocoa Radiant line is literally my holy grail. I layer the lotion with their body oil gel and wow, the glow is unreal. It doesn't just sit on top, it actually heals the dryness. Plus, it smells like a literal dream. No more winter skin, just 24/7 radiance. Look at that shine! Trust me, grab the whole set now. Your skin will thank you.
Isn't this lovely? It's a full UGC video without even showing your face. So what you do is you click the download button. You see, you click this download button, this arrow here, you download and it's saved right into your phone. This lovely, isn't this beautiful? Isn't this as easy as?
So guys, AI isn't here to replace your creativity. No, not at all. It's here to help you create content faster and more consistently. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start creating UGC video, this might be the sign you've been looking for. So if you would like to try UGCVideo.ai, use my affiliate link in the description and the pinned comments below. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, would you use AI to create your UGC video, or do you still prefer filming yourself? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.